Hello and welcome to Reiki Level 1, 2, and Master Certification Overview. My name is Lisa Powers and I'm the instructor of this course. I've had the honor and privilege of practicing and teaching Reiki for almost 20 years. I've studied health and wellness extensively and formally and have university degrees not only in education but kinesiology as well. Teaching others Reiki is a personal tool for self-development and a healing modality for working with others is my passion, and I've taught thousands of students how to do so. After completing this course, you'll be certified as a traditional Usui Reiki master. You'll know how to perform Reiki on yourself, as well as others, to help create positive shifts in your body, mind, and life. You'll have an understanding of the energy systems in the body and how to work with them. You'll learn about the history of Reiki and how it works. You'll learn how to use the sacred Reiki symbols in your Reiki practice and life. You'll learn how to effectively perform Reiki from a distance as well as across time. You'll learn how to attune others as well as advanced techniques that I know you'll find invaluable in your practice as well as life. This course comprehensively covers the course material in Reiki Level 1, 2, and Master. You'll work through Level 1 and then request your attunements that help connect you with Reiki energy to use on yourself. Unlike other courses that offer a video or self-attunement, in this course you'll schedule a date and time which you'll receive your distance attunements that I'll perform personally. You'll work through Level 2, learn the sacred Reiki symbols, and continue to practice Reiki on yourself, and also begin performing Reiki on others if you choose. And you'll then work through the Master level, where you'll learn the Master symbol as well as how to pass on attunements. With this course, you'll receive 3 certificates that you can print and use for display purposes if you're practicing professionally with your clients and requesting insurance for your practice. This course also includes additional sets of manuals, certificates, and presentation slides for your own practice if you want to share Reiki with your loved ones. So if you're interested in learning how to use universal life force energy to improve your body, mind, and spirit, this course is for you. If you'd like to strengthen your connection with your intuition, I think you'll find the tools in this course very helpful. Some questions that I hear often are, can Reiki be taught effectively online? My answer is absolutely. You can work through this course at your own pace and ask any questions as they arise. You'll have lifetime access to the course, including updates and additions. Remember, energy is not limited by time or space, and teaching about energy is the same. Many students who've taken in-person courses and received in-person attunements have commented to me on how powerful and meaningful they found this course experience to be. That being said, I always ask students to listen to their intuition and ensure that they choose a course and instructor that they resonate with. So please follow your heart. If this course feels right for you, I look forward to working with you.